Okay everybody, M. Christo, Bruce here again with Team Bruce. Want to talk to you today about Cook's Tavern over here off of 26 and Alder. This is an awesome place where you can get great food, but not only great food, but great drinks. So anytime you're in the area over here off of 26 and Alder, this is definitely a place that you want to look up in the North Proctor district area. But I'm telling you right now, go for the enchilada omelet. You're not going to regret that decision. You're going to have a great time. So again, Cook's Tavern off of 26 and Alder.